Before starting the valve timing diagram for 4-stroke diesel engine, then we will just go for the theoretical diagram for PV diagram. Now this is the diagram, this is the compression, then constant pressure, heat, addition up to 2 to 3, then is an expansion, and 3 to 4 and 4 to 1, again it is a heat rejection at constant volume, so 4 to 1. Okay, this is the figure and in PV diagram, and it is in TS diagram. S is the entropy, TS diagram, this is the figure. Okay, that you already know, and Vc is the clearance volume and Vs is the stroke volume. Okay, now let us go for the valve timing diagram. Valve timing means the inlet valve does not open at top dead center. Okay, and it does not close at bottom dead center. Okay, so there is a timing degree opening. So this is the, I will show you this one afterwards. You just write down this one, valve timing diagram of diesel engine. This is the 4-stroke. Okay, now I will give you the total. Okay, now you just note down the inlet valve opens at 10 degree to 20 degree before top dead center. You know the top dead center is the extreme position of the piston that goes into the cylinder, extreme position, and closes at 25 to 40 degree after bottom dead center. Okay, fuel valve opens 10 degree to 15 degree before top dead center and closes at 15 degree to 20 degree after top dead center. The compression starts at 25 to 40 degree after bottom dead center and ends at 10 to 15 degree before top dead center. The expansion starts at 10 degree to 15 degree after top dead center and ends at 30 degree to 50 degree before bottom dead center. The exhaust valve opens at 30 degree to 50 degree before bottom dead center and closes at 10 degree to 15 degree after top dead center. Now this is the meaning of this. This is the inlet valve opens before top dead center. Okay, and inlet valve closes 25 degree to before 40 degree before 25 to 40 degree after bottom dead center. So actually this is the inlet valve close. Okay, now this way, this is the diagram which talks about the following sentences, and this is the top dead center and this is the bottom dead center. Bottom dead center means it is the lower position, extreme lower position of the piston in the cylinder, and this is the extreme upper position of the piston. This is the top dead center, and above this is the clearance volume. There is some volume left in the cylinder, that is the clearance volume. Now you understand. Now valve, inlet valve closes. So what happens, compressions, first of all the suction starts and suction closes here, and then compression starts, compression closes here, then the heat addition is taking place, then the expansion stroke starts and expansion stroke closes, then the exhaust is starts here and exhaust closes here. So this is the this way. So you can understand it very easily, and you can draw yourself by in the circle. You can draw it. You make this is the TDC and BDC as a diameter of the circle. You draw the circle and then do this spiral. Okay. Now